Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes of storage, and that's in the colour gold. So I'm just going to unbox this now, and it is from my carrier, as you can probably see. I'm just going to undo all the boxes and everything. There might be some satisfying sounds, so just bear with me whilst I do that. So I've just got a slip with my information on. This is just from my network basically, so yeah, you probably wouldn't get any of this stuff unless you're on Vodafone. Just something explaining my next bill, so it's nothing too special. Yeah, that's not what we care about. Right, so this is what we came for, the actual box of the iPhone. So as you can see this year, just like the 11 series, the Pro boxes are in the colour black. And then there's a shimmer of what sort of colour you selected for the device. So this is sort of gold around the edges. It's a very thin box. It will be a different boxing experience this year compared to any other year, just because inside the box, you do just get the handset, so the phone itself, and then a USB-C to Lightning cable. So if you didn't get the 11 Pro series, you won't actually already own the brick that goes into the wall that will charge the actual phone itself, unless you do have a USB-C sort of charging brick elsewhere from a different device. So if you are coming from the regular iPhone 11 or before, you would actually have to purchase the charging brick separately, either from Apple or a different retailer, and that is £19. Right, so let's take a look around the box. So picture of the phone on the front. We've just got the logos and everything like that around the sides of it. And then on the back, it does just say, let's have a look. So it includes the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the USB-C to Lightning cable. Power adapter and headphones are sold separately. So yeah, it doesn't include the earbuds either. So the wired earphones do not come inside the box for this one either. Yeah, it's just Apple trying to be a bit more environmentally friendly. So it comes with a little pull tab down here. So I'm just going to take this off. And then, yeah, we're just ready to take off the actual lid of the box. I'm really excited to see this gold colour. And there we have it. It does look really nice. It's sort of like a beigey gold on the back. It's not sort of the most gold colour that there has been before, but I do sort of like that muted tone of the colour of it. It does look very classy. Yeah, and then if we just take it out of the box. So the edges are really, really gold. It's like a block gold on the edges, which does look really nice. Getting a lot of fingerprints on this already. And because we are in the UK, we do actually still have to have some FC labelling, which they've moved to the side of the handset this year, instead of being on the back of the phone. Yeah, so that's just what that is. Let's have a look. And then on the front, the first time there is a paper sort of screen film, and that just has some indicators on what the buttons do. So your silent switch, volume up, volume down, lock button, and then it says the charging Lightning down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this off. And there we have it. So the black and the gold does look really nice sort of together. It looks very expensive, and then the back is sort of a more muted gold. So overall, this was my favourite colour of phone this year. I did go in the Apple store to look at the regular 12 Pro series. I was debating between either the graphite or the gold, and I do just really prefer the gold colour this year. I just think it looks really nice. So let's just take a look and see what else is inside the box. So as mentioned this year, as you're already probably aware, there are a lot less things inside of the box. So you do get the USB-C to Lightning cable included in there. And you also get the little pamphlet with some information. So you get the SIM eject tool, which these are always handy to have around just to take the SIM card out. You also get some warranty information. And then I do believe you're down to the 1 Apple sticker this year. I'm not too sure if anyone actually uses these. I know I don't, but yeah, you get 1 of these this year. So that is everything that's included inside of the box. There's nothing else in there. So this year the screen is 6.7 inches. So it is slightly bigger than that of the XS Max and also the 11 Pro Max. What I'm just going to quickly compare it to is my current phone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So what I'm going to do is just do a quick size comparison. Now I've got the midnight green in the 11 Pro Max. So if we just put them side by side, you can see that the 12 is slightly taller, just by a tiny little bit. But it's the exact same width more or less. It does just look a bit thicker due to that boxy design basically. So yeah, it's 0.2 inches larger screen wise than the current 11 Pro Max. Also, just to compare the cameras of the two, you can see that the lenses of the 12 Pro Max are slightly physically wider than the 11 Pro Max. And that is just because it does have new sensors. They do let in more light, so that should be good for low light photography, nighttime photography, that sort of thing. And then it also has the LiDAR sensor, which basically detects objects in front of it, and that does help with autofocus and things such as that. So that will be a welcomed addition to the camera setup. Yeah, so battery life, I am expecting pretty much the exact same. I know the 12 Pro Max is rated slightly lower in capacity of the battery, but hopefully the sort of specs inside mean that it will be pretty similar in terms of the battery life. Also, I am going to get the leather case from Apple with MagSafe, so if you do want to see that on this phone, yeah, that will be coming to the channel. But apart from that, that is everything for this video. If you did like it, just give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching.